niggas. Fuck everybody that used to be down, that ain't down no more. Y'all niggas ain't from the best side. Y'all don't know how we push it down. Trick ass.
I rep that West, I rep that Dub, I rep that S, I'm a monster. West Side Locks Nest, I'm a problem. Matter of fact, I'm a mess. Los Angeles, so scandalous. South Central, home of so much potential. But if you go there, the warfare is mental. Bring your wheelchair, you probably gon' need it. Lead this motherfucker a paraplegic. Niggas round the world that think they wanna bang. Don't get your ass caught up like Lil Wayne. I'm too West Coast for the West Coast. Too Fresnos to Cerritos. Too soul food and burritos. I'm down with Angelinos. Go downtown and give a bum a C-note. This my town. I run it, you walk it, you just now learning the game. I told him I
fuck what you're saying, fuck who you're telling.
I'm only dealing with some 3-time felons.
Yeah, fuck what you're saying, fuck who you're telling.
I'm only dealing with some 3-time felons. Rollin' till the wheels fall off, a nigga rollin' till the wheels fall off. West side rollin' till the wheels fall off, a nigga rollin' till the wheels fall off.
Bitch boy, these niggas ain't bigger than me. These niggas ain't Nas, ain't Jigger than me. These niggas ain't M, they ain't 50 to me. You ain't Pun, you ain't Pac, you ain't Biggie to me. These niggas ain't Crips, they ain't 60s to me. These niggas ain't Bloods, they ain't tripping with me. Niggas talking that shit by the new generation, man. Fuck these niggas, I slash your fucking faces. You niggas ain't so shit, not an album or a rock. Pussy nigga putting rings on my old bitch. Dick down the throat ass niggas, oh hoe ass niggas. Happy cause you with gold ass niggas. These niggas ain't spitting with me. You ain't sicker than me. Fuck out my section, you ain't sitting with me. This for very important people. It's clear that we not equal. Clear you niggas faggots. I'm the black Marshall Mathers. Like yin 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 on the motherfucker. Who needs Hulk Hogan when you got Sting on this motherfucker? Less than 5 albums, kiss the ring on this motherfucker. California throne and I'm the king on this motherfucker. I don't wanna hear it. Weak ass lyrics, crying on the hook, thinking we gon' feel it. Oh, lost ass niggas, voice crack when you talk ass nigga, rolling blunts for the boss ass niggas. I came in with Ye, Jeezy and boss ass niggas. Your freshman cover a whole bunch of soft ass niggas. Tampon lyricists, evacuate the premises. Mute BET ciphers, cause I don't wanna hear that shit. May you rest in piss, you fuck niggas. Hey, Frank Ocean, go ahead, fuck these fuck niggas. Yeah, they fuck niggas. Ain't no 3 stacks in your class, so take your top 10 spot and shove it up your ass, bitch boy.
What you're saying, fuck who you're telling.
I'm only dealing with some 3-time felons.
Yeah, fuck what you're saying, fuck who you're telling.
I'm only dealing with some 3-time felons. Rollin' till the wheels fall off, a nigga rollin' till the wheels fall off. West side rollin' till the wheels fall off, a nigga rollin' till the wheels fall off.
I'm in LA, welcome to LA, home of the Kush play, and where that bomb ass OG Kush stay. We got crazy ass shit going every day. Corrupt pigs and the AK full of spray. Looking so damn fly in my low ride. This any soul-side gangsta, do or die. You can hate, waste the time to even try. I'm expanding, watch my shit multiply. 40 wild ass homies from the projects, all in blue sporting LA Dodgers. All shot college veteran bosses, and we got your mama tied up in the closet. Out here, the creeps don't sleep. Gotta stay light on your toes on the street. Over here, we break fools up proper. Says Mag Dog, aka the Big Papa. Gangsta, do or die.